Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Mamta. Today is the very first episode of MERN Stack full stack development series. So I'm super excited to have you all on this journey where we'll go from basics to all the way to building a real world web applications. So first things first, what is MERN Stack? MERN Stack stands for MongoDB database and E stands for Express.js, which is a subset. It's like a subset of JavaScript, which is used in the backend. And React, R stands for React. It is one of the library of JavaScript, and this is Node.js. It is one of the most popular stacks for full stack web development, and learning MERN stacks can open up so many opportunities, whether you want to be a full stack developer or you want to be freelancer building your own apps or to ace tech interviews. So let me give you a quick overview of what we are going to cover in this series. First will be the introduction to full stack development, and next will be setting up the environment and setting up the environment for development. And many more. As we go further, we'll learn about them. This series is hands-on and beginner friendly, and it is structured in such a way that you can follow along and build your own portfolio as you go further. And this series is for those who are student self-learners or someone switching into tech careers. This series is designed with you keeping in mind. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single episode. And if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover, drop them in the comment box. Alright, let's start with the MERN journey from the next video. See you there. Thank you all.